Hello guys, so today we're going to review the cheapest vertical GPU mount on the market. So I'm here in the Philippines, so I found this on Lazada. It costed me around I think it's 1,000 or 1,500, so it's around $20. It's made out of 3D printed plastic, or I don't know what you call that, and it also comes with a riser. After many attempts, I have successfully plugged it in, but it's a little shaky since it's just 3D printed plastic. The backside doesn't look that good since it has a hole now. And the HDMI cable, I have to plug it in through there, but for its price point, I think it's okay. But if I have more money, I would rather buy a Cooler Master vertical GPU mount, where you would do the same, but it's made out of metal, since metal is always better than plastic. That's all. I'm going to try to power it on and see if it works. And after some time, this is the finished product. It's on top of my computer, not necessarily my computer, but my second PC. It looks pretty good, I think. So see you next time, my next video. Goodbye.